I
Yeah,
think we're living in a world where so many things are changing constantly,
dude,
especially when it
like,
comes to especially senior care. There's things
yeah.
constantly changing, and the pandemic
Well,
ultimately
like,
has
like
has has really expedited everything, you
100%.
know.
And I think like what's crazy is you have some services in senior care, like reimbursements going down. Some services getting more reimbursement. I mean, you got this past year, 400 skilled nursing facilities closed. 400.
That's
Like,
wild.
but we're going into a time where we should probably need more skilled nursing facilities than ever before. But right,
Yep.
but like regulations on skilled nursing has gone up, funding's gone down, so they can't stay in business. So they're just closing up. They're consolidating.
Yeah.
You're seeing these insurance like there's just I feel like there's so many problems with the care like as you become older, and you need to utilize these services that are out there that like my concern is the problems are never going to be fixed to meet the future demands of the care that's needed. And so I
Yep.
truly believe that people are going to get frustrated, they're going to give up, and they're going to have to bring mom into their own world and take care of their loved one for the first time, like because of the fact that there's just a lack of options for them. Like
Yeah.
the options that they thought would exist for their mom, or the options that maybe they were relying on, all of a sudden, like, I mean, even home care. There's no way that our home care agencies across the country are going to be able to meet the future needs of all of the baby boomers that are going to need care.
Yeah.
Like we already have a staffing shortage, but what happens when you double the demand and you still have and then you have like half the workers that were in the industry are no longer in the industry.
Hey guys, thank you so much for making it this far. If you'd like to watch last week's episode, click here. If you'd like to watch more exciting content on senior care, click here. If you'd like to learn how to open up your own adult daycare, assisted living, or home care agency, click here, krischanna.com. This is for all those senior care entrepreneurs out there. And let's get back to work.